what's made up of layers and becomes increasingly more delicious when you put them together? A data story, of course, and a sandwich. Much like a sandwich, a data story consists of a few different layers. First, we have our foundation. Then, of course, the filling. Then we like to go and finish off the sandwich. Condiments and toppings, they're just added flavors. Those are a little something extra that you can bring to your sandwich, but also your data stories as well. First up, let's talk about the filling. Now, you wouldn't take a slice of ham or turkey and say that that's a whole sandwich, right? Of course not. And just like a piece of deli meat cannot itself be a sandwich, one data visualization cannot be a data story. Let's talk about that first layer of our sandwich or data story, depending on how hungry you are. Your foundational bread has to be strong, simple, yet effective. Mostly in data stories, it consists of key metrics, or what we like to call them BANs, big ass numbers. They lay the groundwork for what we're going to build on top of. Much like when you finish writing a data story, adding that finishing layer of bread on the top of your sandwich leads to action. Eating action, of course. And that's where the action should lie within your data story. Once you have 2 pieces of bread and a filling, you've fulfilled the basic requirement of being a sandwich, and also fulfilled the basic requirement of a data story here at Juice. But what helps you take that boring and basic sandwich and turn it into something extraordinary? One of our favorite things, condiments and toppings. When we talk condiments in a data story, we're talking about narrative text that's going to tie your story together, specific examples that give human-sized connections, and fun elements as well that you as a storyteller get to choose. Photos, font choices, emojis, whatever it is, you get to add in those design elements to help make sure that your story goes from basic to extraordinary. And much like that sandwich that you're ready to have right about now, your data story will only be as good as the ingredients that you choose to use. Is it lunchtime yet?